Alright, so now I want to show you guys how you can utilize using one of your straight edge rulers to go in and enhance other designs that you've already stitched. This is a tutorial that we've already aired on the Bold Notion Quilting YouTube channel, and it's part of our Border Buddy Bold Notion Extravaganza class on boldnotionquilting.com. And so we're going to use our Bold Notion Quilting Setting Straight Edge ruler, and we're going to line it up with this line that we've already stitched down here as best as we can. We can even use our seam allowance to make sure that that next line is sitting right on top of it. And we're going to come in and we're going to do 1/4 of an inch thick lines. Scroll it up. Now it can be hard to tell, especially when you have a fluffy batting, if you're doing that full 1/4 inch, so sometimes it's easier to just kind of keep lining up on something that is consistent, such as the edge of this line, until I don't have space anymore to do it. Okay. I'm going to angle our ruler up. We missed one. Alright, and then we're going to use our ruler to scooch on over here. We're going to quilt in the next one. I'm just going to do free motion quilting on that one because I think it'll be a little bit more fun. Let's do some pebbles. I hope you guys enjoyed this real quick tutorial on filler with a ruler work and just alternating with some free motion, and it gives you some good ideas for what you want to do on your next project. Remember, if you want to get something from Bold Notion Quilting, because we've got amazing rulers and stuff for your free motion quilting and lots of fantastic tutorials, check out boldnotionquilting.com for more tips, tricks, tutorials, and gadgets for your free motion quilting needs. Take care and happy quilting, y'all. Bye!